So by the time this video comes out, you've probably already watched our videos on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and also the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 along with the Z Flip FE. But did you know that aside from these two phones, Samsung also launched a bunch of wearables at the Galaxy Unpacked event. And in fact, I'm wearing one of them right now. This is the new Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and here with me is the new Samsung Galaxy Watch Series 8. Over here on my left is the standard Series 8 model, and on my right is the classic model, which has a rotating bezel which you can use to navigate the menu. It's perfect if you miss the old Samsung Galaxy watches that still had the rotating bezel to navigate around the menu. But which one of these should you pick? Well, stay tuned for a quick hands-on review video of the new Samsung Galaxy Watch Series 8 and the new Galaxy Watch Ultra on my wrist right now. Let's start things off with the new Galaxy Watch 8 series. There are two variants of the Watch 8 available, the standard Watch 8 and the Watch 8 Classic. The main difference between the two, the Watch 8 Classic comes with a rotating bezel, a feature that Galaxy Watch users have surely missed from the Watch 7 series. As for the standard Watch 8, it doesn't come with a rotating bezel. In terms of the styling, the regular Watch 8 adopts a fresh new design featuring a squarish case paired with a circular display, which is inspired by the Watch Ultra. It is available in two different sizes, 40mm and 44mm. The 40mm model features a smaller 1.34-inch display, while the 44mm model comes with a 1.47-inch display. Both use a Super AMOLED panel with up to 3000 nits peak brightness. No matter which variant you choose, they are noticeably thinner, measuring just 8.6mm thick. As for the Watch 8 Classic, it only comes in one size, that's 46mm. This means if you have a smaller wrist, it might look a bit big on you, but on my wrist and Miguel's wrist, it looks great. It also adopts the squarish case seen on the standard Watch 8, but this time it has a rotating bezel that gives it a sporty look and feel. One thing that is new on the Watch 8 Classic is the addition of the quick button. Similar to the one on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, it's the crown located in between the two buttons on the case. It can also be programmed and used in various ways. Despite measuring 46mm, the Watch 8 Classic features a 1.34-inch display using the same Super AMOLED panel with 3000 nits peak brightness as the standard Watch 8. Thanks to its design, it is a bit thicker, measuring 10.6mm, but at least you do get a rotating bezel. Two colors are available for the Watch 8 Classic, white and black. The case itself remains standard with a brushed metal finish, while the bezel and strap change colors. Both the Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic use the Exynos W1000 3nm chip with 2GB of RAM. However, the Watch 8 comes with only 32GB of storage, while the 8 Classic is doubled at 64GB. For reference, it's the same chip found in the previous Watch 7 series. While the chipset is a carryover from before, the battery is marginally bigger. The 40mm Watch 8 now features a 325mAh battery, while the 44mm variant comes with 435mAh battery. Meanwhile, the Watch 8 Classic is equipped with a 445mAh battery pack. Both watches ship with One UI 8 Watch, which comes with a bunch of new features, including real-time feedback during workouts, high stress alert, and even a mood tracker. Due to our limited time with the device, we didn't really get to try them out. However, stay tuned for our full review so you can see us trying out these new features. As for the Watch Ultra, it's not exactly the new Watch Ultra 2 as we expected. Instead, it's more of an update from last year. The design is identical to before, but it does get a new color, titanium blue. There's also a lot more storage space available now, which is 64GB. And that's pretty much it on the new Watch Ultra, or rather updated Watch Ultra. It also ships with One UI 8 Watch, giving it the same features as the new Watch 8 series. Now for the price. Similar to the new foldable smartphones, there's also a price hike for Samsung's new wearables. The 40mm Galaxy Watch 8 starts at 20,990 pesos, while the 44mm variant costs 22,990 pesos. If you want the LTE version of the 40mm Watch 8, that will set you back 23,990 pesos. As for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, it starts at 29,990 pesos, while the LTE variant retails for 32,990 pesos. Lastly, the updated Galaxy Watch Ultra now retails at 40,990 pesos. Yes, they're a lot more expensive now, but if you bundle it with the phones, you might be able to get them at a discount or even for free. Check out the Samsung Philippines website and see for yourself what you can get for the new Galaxy Watch 8 series and the updated Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now that you've seen all of the new Samsung Galaxy watches, which one is for you? Would you pick the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra? Or would you get the Samsung Galaxy Watch Series 8 Classic? Or would you even get just the standard Samsung Galaxy Watch Series 8? Whatever the case, share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platform, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit yougetech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. And of course, if you watch this video first, I highly suggest you also watch our videos on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7 and Z Flip FE, which are now out on the YouGetech YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Sir. I'll see you guys in the next one. And now I gotta run because I want to take these home with me. Bye.